Rhoades. In this March Networks Academy video, we'll be reviewing the profile search function of the CloudSight platform. That's where we can use a picture in order to search past footage for a specific individual. Let's pull up CloudSight in our web browser to get started. From the main CloudSight page, on the left-hand side, you'll hover over the sidebar and click Profile Search. On the right, it'll load up all the profiles that you've already created within your system. You can select one of those, or if you want to create a new profile, you'll click on that button on the top right-hand corner. The system will let you know that these are the file formats that we can accept pictures in, along with the maximum file size. When you click OK, it'll ask you to browse your computer for a file, and then give that profile a name along with a description if you'd like. You can either add this picture to an existing profile, which will make that profile more accurate, or click on the blue Create button to make a brand new profile with it. Either way, the page will refresh, and you'll have to find that profile now within the list. As you use the system, this list might become pretty long, so you can search by the profile name that you put in initially. Select that profile, and the system will go back through the past footage on your cameras and look for that individual within your past recordings. By default, it's only going to have the last couple of days selected. You can click on these calendars to change what date range you want to look through. So in this case, I'm going to expand this to the 16th to the 25th, and I can change the start and end time throughout the day as well. You'll click Apply, and then the search button. This will go back through your footage and look through the additional time period that we've now selected, and we can see we now have more instances of this individual. Whenever you look at your results, you're going to get a screen grab of the matching individual, the scene that they were seen in, and the path that they walked throughout that scene. Then you can click on that picture. When you hover over it, you'll get the play button, and it'll play back footage from that time period where that person was seen. If you have any other questions about profile search or CloudSight in general, please reach out to us and we'd be happy to have a call. Thanks again.